Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this LED ring flash from FOSITAN. Okay, so with this being an unboxing, I'm just going to go through all the items that it comes with one by one. So first things first is the ring flash. It comes with the ring flash, obviously, that will be mounted to your camera with one of these filter threads. I think they're called filter threads. So this will attach to your camera depending on the sort of the size of your lens, and then you'll connect the ring flash to this. So it literally clicks on using the 2 clicks on the side, and then this part here, this is probably called the controller, let's just call it that. That will connect to your camera, and it works on my Sony A7, and it will allow me to have that flash when I press flash, or I can press the button, the light button, and that will just give me a permanent light if I'm doing any video work. It also comes with 4 of these diffusers, so that's 1, 2, 3, and there's one that is on the camera itself, and that's a transparent one that's on the camera, and it obviously adjusts the sort of light that you're going to have when you're doing your filming or when you're taking your photos, whether you want it to fill in with a bit of blue or with a yellow, or it's entirely up to you. Obviously it comes with your instruction book over here to guide you through. It's quite useful. It's one of the best instruction books I've ever read. And it comes with this. This is a batarang. This allows you to obviously chase enemies at night time, and if you throw it, I'm joking, I don't know what this is. So I think its use is mainly to mount the controller. So obviously if you're not mounting this on your camera, you're probably going to mount it on here and set it up in a way that you're just going to have the LED light on a permanent. It uses 4 AA batteries. I'm just going to use rechargeable ones, that way I can just know that if I have a spare set of 4 that I've charged, once the battery runs out, I can simply whack out the old ones, put in the new ones, and set the others to charge. So that is it guys, that's the unboxing done. If you want an in-depth review, just let me know in the comments below. Please give it a like if it helps, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.